How to grow a thicker beard. There is no greater affirmation of a mont's virility than the ability to grow a thick, full beard. There's something uniquely empowering about it, making you feel like you could wrestle a bear, catch a fish with your bare hands, or partake in other such manly activities. Yet there is more to growing a beard than simply throwing away your razor. It takes time, dedication, and a superhuman ability to resist the urge to scratch. Here are some helpful hints on how to grow a thick, lustrous beard worthy of Gandalf the Grey. Shaping and maintaining a thick beard. Avoid the urge to shape your beard too soon. You should avoid going near your newly grown beard with a scissors or beard trimmers until it's been growing for a minimum of 4 weeks. Individual hairs grow at a different rate, so some sections of your facial hair may take longer to grow than others. Have patience and wait to see how much you can grow before shaping and trimming. The more hair you have, the easier it is to work with. Choose a beard style. Once you have allowed nature to run wild and have been growing your beard for 4 to 6 weeks, you can start thinking about what style of beard you wish to adopt. You could leave it as it is, wild, rugged, and undeniably masculine. Or you could go for something a little more polished, like a goatee and mustache combo or a refined chin strip or soul patch. Then you have the less common, but nonetheless manly, mutton chops and chin curtains. The choice is yours. Trim your beard. Once you have decided on a style, you can undertake the delicate process of trimming your beard. If this is your first time, you may want to consider going to a barber to have it done professionally, though finding a barber with any significant experience in handling beards is becoming harder and harder nowadays. If trimming your beard yourself, use a good trimmer to define your neckline, before shaping the rest of the beard. It is usually best to leave the cheek line natural, to avoid a weirdly shaped beard. Shampoo and condition regularly. Your beard will need some regular love and attention to keep it in tip-top condition. Try shampooing it daily or almost daily with a gentle shampoo to keep the hair clean and remove any lost pieces of food. It will happen, and use a little conditioner from time to time to help strengthen the hair and keep it looking full and thick. Use a protective oil. If you're exposing your beard to any harsh elements or chemicals, for example, while skiing or swimming in a chlorine-filled pool, you should apply a light layer of oil, such as jojoba or grapeseed oil, which will protect your beard by locking in moisture and preventing the loss of natural oils. If all else fails, wait a couple of years. If your beard doesn't work out as well as you expected and you decide to let it go, don't lose hope. You can try again in a few years, as the development of facial hair continues to increase over time. This is why you usually see the fullest beards on older men.